Welcome to my page, you guys. This is Bree Nicole. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye. What's up, everybody? This is Bree Nicole, and I'm back with another video. Today I am doing a package haul. I don't know if that's a real thing or does the other YouTubers call it a different thing. Yes, I am in my spicy shirt. It is from Subway's where I work at. Anywho, so I have one package. Oops, I'm about to drop it. 2 packages. 3 packages. 4 packages. And oh yeah, before this video ends, I have to show y'all my new shoes I got the Finish Line from Puma. Yes, honey. Yes. And they was exclusive. So y'all know I had to go get them. Ignore my hair. My hair has a mind of its own because I promise y'all I just fixed it. My hair's doing what the... Hey, it looked like a... I put a bow in my hair. If y'all like to see how I did this, stay to the end. Yes. Yes. Okay, guys. So let me show y'all what I got. Okay, so let's start with the first package. It's from Amazon Prime. Well, y'all know it's from Amazon, but it's from my Prime membership. So this is my first time opening these packages up to you guys. Well, packages period, because I have not opened up none of my packages yet. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got. So I'm opening it up with you guys, so y'all should feel very, very special. It's my selfie ring light. This is what it looks like in the inside. The bubble wrapper, I guess, so that it doesn't break. It looks like outside the package. There's something else in here, I'm guessing, to hold it. Yeah? Sorry, I thought somebody was calling me from downstairs. Anywho, everybody, finished what I was doing. This is very heavy. So, I'm guessing this is the cord, okay. And unravels. This is a selfie light, you guys. Okay, let's keep going. Whoa.
Mommy, can you touch my tablet when you put clothes on my tablet?
What? Okay. So, and I'm guessing, let's take the wrappers off. Okay, how do we take this off? Okay, this is going to be the part that I'm going to have to use scissors for, this part right here. But this is my selfie ring light. This is for this part right here, which is the part that I have to figure out how. Let's see. Okay. Well, y'all get the gist of it. But I'm guessing this is supposed to go in here. And then you put your phone right here. And then you put your, this is the selfie light. Yes? Hold on, you guys. Hi, and I'm back, you guys. Sorry about that. Anyways, so y'all get the gist of it. When I figure it out, then I will do a full video with my new ring light. It's a small one that attaches to anything. Like, I could be at a desk or at my dresser or something, and it connects on top of it. This is the different buttons on there. This is to turn it on. Let's see if it turns on right now. Nope, it's not gonna turn on because I think it's dead right now. So that, And then this is to turn it down. This one's to turn it up. And this one is to get it in reverse and all that other stuff. So there's that. Okay, so stop, Maya. So I'm gonna put this back in the box. I'll figure that out in a minute. So on to the next package. Maya, shh. Okay, next package. Okay, so here's my pop socket. Okay. Thank you, popsocket.com, for my 2 pop sockets. And no, this is not sponsored.
He put 12 so make it.
Maya, wait. I'm doing the freaking video. Ew. Anyways, I can't even open it. I'm just gonna rip it open like this. So, anywho, let's open them. Okay. So, here's my first one. This is of me and my bib. My first one. This one is white.
I see it, Mommy.
It's white.
I see it, Mommy.
I don't know if I can see it.
This Daddy you.
Yeah, Daddy and Mommy.
Yeah, Daddy.
Daddy and Mommy. And this is what it looks like when it comes off the pack. I'm sorry, guys, if it's too bright. This is what it looks like.
Daddy and Mommy in my house.
Okay, so then we close the back. Okay, and here's my second one. This is of my daughter.
That's me, Mommy.
Yep.
That's me in Daddy's house.
Yep.
Wow.
And then you pop it open like that, and you just slide it. Honey, just slide it for your life. And here's her pop socket. It's purple because purple is my baby's favorite color, so it's purple and black.
It's my favorite color, purple.
Your favorite color is purple and black. So that's my 2 pop sockets. Okay.
That's for Mommy.
These are the 2 I got.
That's for Mommy. This is me, Maya,
And then
Daddy.
this shows what. Maya, stop, baby. And then this is my information stuff. Okay, so that's that. And then my other package. This is from Amazon Prime, of course. Just kidding, y'all. This card open. Okay. Wow, I didn't know I did that. Did I do that? Did I mean to do that? I got 2 of them, you guys. 2 of them. Well, everybody, I didn't mean to get 2. So, all I'm going to say is, when one break, I have a backup. Okay. So, anyways, I got some headphones. Again, I don't know why there's 2 in the packet. But I'm not going to question God. Thank you, Lord. Okay. And my other package. It's from A through Z. I finally got it, which took me forever. It's called A through Z.com. Tried to put down all the links to everything I had gotten. And these are my shoes. They're Mickey and Minnie. They're the old school Mickey and Minnie. And some of the new school Mickey and Minnie. This is my first time opening them. I am excited! So, these are my shoes.
Mickey and Minnie.
Yep. My new shoes.
Yeah,
Okay, you guys. thank you for watching. Oh, let me show y'all how I did my little bow. That was accidental, but I'm going to show y'all right quick. Okay? So first, you guys, comb and brush your hair, blah, 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 blah. I have a lot of hair, you guys, but y'all probably wouldn't know that because I'm always have my hair in some type of weave. Oh, by the way, that's my daughter, Maya. Say hi, Maya.
Hi.
Okay, back up. Back up before you get stuck. Okay, so you do this. You do this. You make it like a little bow thing. You take the middle, that part right here, and you go like this. You can go forward with it, or you can twist it around like this and go like this. Go in the middle. I'm sorry if I messed up. And then you put a bobby pin right there. Bam, boom, bow. There go your bow. With your own hair, no fake hair included.
Yeah.
Anyways, it might look messed up. I'll try to do a better video another day. But thank y'all for watching. Bye. Peace.